downshift, downshift. Oh, no. Peace out, Matt. Welcome back to another video, G35 content once again. But before the video starts, if this video gets 25 likes, I know y'all can do it, super rare on my channel, but if you guys get 25 likes, I'm gonna go full send and get a carbon fiber ducktail trunk. I really want one, and if you guys get 25 likes, go down. If you guys get 25 likes, I'm gonna go ahead and buy one from this guy I know that I think he does a freaking fantastic job, and I'm gonna go ahead and order one from him. But besides that, today's video is going to be about my G35. You know, guys saw that last video I did on the G35 where I go in the night drive and I'll show you guys the pops that it did and things like that. Everybody kept asking me like, yo, what's your exhaust like? What's your exhaust system? What are you running? How do you get it to pop? What do you do to your car? Blah blah blah. And I'm just like, I literally just did a muffler delete. So like today I'm gonna show you guys the bottom of my car, what we have behind, and we're gonna go take it with my GoPro on a night drive so you guys can hear the pops once again and show you guys what I do. Now, one quick little thing, I'm gonna show you guys the backstory of what happened. So I had my first muffler delete. If you guys go back on my channel, it's probably one of the first videos that pops up when you type in G35 muffler delete. That was my first time, and the car didn't pop. The car didn't pop at all. Like some of you guys, that's why probably some of you guys were like, wait, what the hell? Like, why is your car popping? What do you have? So that my car didn't pop, so there was nothing special about it. Now the new law came out. I got scared and I was like, man, dude, I don't want to get stopped. So I went back to the shop, installed a motor MagnaFlow muffler back on it, and when they installed it, man, but I was heartbroken because the sound was gone. It sounded like a Prius and I was heartbroken. I went ahead and got my second muffler delete because your boy's on a budget, your boy's college, I don't got enough money for all that. So I was like, fuck it. I called a couple shops and I was recommended to this one shop that I ended up going. You guys look at the second video that I put out, it's called Getting a Muffler Delete Again. I went, it was the sketchiest place, guys, sketchiest place ever. Sketchiest place, literally a random ass shop in the middle of like farmlands. Like, it was sketchy. You guys can see in my video, you guys should go back and watch it. Definitely. I was like, hey guys, this place looks kind of sketchy, I don't know what's gonna go on, but I'm just gonna go in. So I went in. The guy looked like he was speed up, you know, all dirty, you know, kind of like a mechanic type of stereotype. And he's like, yeah, man, I'm gonna get your shit sounding like a Ferrari. And you guys can see in the video, the last one, I was like, okay, guys, I don't think my G35 is gonna sound like a Ferrari, but we'll see. We'll expect the best. But the guy, I think he did something magical because my car pops. Ever since I did the second muffler delete, my car started popping. And I was like, wait, what? So we're gonna go under and actually check out the under part of my car. Let's go under the car and show you guys what it is. We're coming. No. All right, we're coming in from under the car. So there's the under of the car. You guys can see. It looks like, you know, over there's the catalytic converters. Then it is like one pipe and then it goes into two pipes. I don't think this is a true dual exhaust. I don't know if this is what the setup looks like. Usually the white pipe will go here. Let me see. Usually the white pipe will go somewhere here, but this is still dual the exhaust. So I don't know. Let me know if this is a true dual exhaust. I don't know what the hell, but like you guys see, it was one pipe at the end by the catalytic converters, and then right here it turns into two pipes. It looks like it's a white pipe over there at the end, and then it keeps rolling, and it just stays two pipes from the middle of the car, and it just comes out through here. And you guys can see, obviously there's no muffler because it is a muffler delete, but yeah, it's just one long pipe all the way through the car. I wish I can reach my arm further, but I can't. But that's what the car has. Take a good look at it, guys. Let me know what the hell this is, because last time, let me hold it with my other hand. Last time the white pipe started from like right here. It was one pipe, and right here it turned into a white pipe, and then it just split into two. But this one is still split into two from here, and it goes all the way down, and the white pipe is somewhere down there in the middle. So he definitely did something different. Let me know if this is what a true or what a dual exhaust looks like. I'm not sure, but that's what's under my car. That I'm not sure if that's what's making it pop. I'm pretty sure that's the reason why it's popping. I told the guy give me a muffler deal. He literally charged me like $100, man. I was like, wait, what? So later today we're gonna be driving the car. Well, you guys are gonna see it instantly because you guys don't have to wait, but I'm gonna go to a party later and you guys will see me drive the car kind of in the night environment and hear the pops, and I will explain a little bit more of how I make it pop in when I get in the car. But right now it's super hot as fucking Sacramento. Look, it just looks blistering hot. And so I'm gonna go inside, take a shower, cool off, and I'll catch you guys in 3, 2, 1. All right guys, so hopefully you guys can hear me and hopefully you guys can see here. We're in the G35 rolling into the party, right? I'll show you guys at night too. This is not just the only clip we're doing, but all right, so you guys know I have a G35 2004 automatic. Yes, I know it's automatic. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry, it's the car I got. I don't know how to drive manual. I'm still gonna learn how to drive manual next week, and I'm gonna clip that for you guys so you guys can check out how bad I do. But the way I pop it, here we go. Here's a trick. You see this right here? Bam! There you go. Now I have a manual G35. So when you put it in manual, it starts popping. I think there's a pop mod. But what's it called? I don't know if you guys heard those a little bit. The exhaust has to be warm. The exhaust has to be warm. You guys may already know it has to be warm. But once it's warm and it gets going, it pops nice. It pops when you accelerate, you let it go. And it also accelerates when you downshift. Watch, check this out. I'm gonna let it go. It popped a little bit, not too much. That one's not, that wasn't that great. But usually in second gear, I'm gonna shift to second gear. I'm gonna go and let it go. Downshift. Oh, I'm pretty sure you guys heard that one. Woo! That was nice. So you guys saw what I had under. I don't know what it is. You guys let me know. Downshift. Ooh, some burbles there. That was not more like burbles instead of pops. We'll shift third gear, let it go, see how it goes. I'm still experimenting with the car to keep in mind, so. We're gonna downshift here, downshift. Here's some pops. Downshift. Okay, there was a little bit of pops, not too much. We could have done better, but guys, this thing is intoxicating, trust me. It sounds so good. And it's addicting because you want to do it every time. It sounds so good. Let's see if we can get a small pop here. Guys, this thing's amazing. This is definitely not no normal muffler dilly. The guy definitely did add something to it, but believe me guys when I tell you, I don't know what the hell he added to it, guys. I really don't know. He definitely did something, probably like a dual exhaust. I don't know. It definitely looked different from my old setup. I wish I could have recorded my old setup, but it's something different. I hope you guys found what it is, what it's about, and like comment it down below, because it's definitely no, or maybe it is normal muffler dilly. I don't know, but yeah. Another tip for pops, you accelerate it hard, right? Let it go, get those pops, and then tap it. We're gonna shift. Downshifting. Ooh, we definitely got some good pops there. Ooh, we got a G35 on the other side. Respect, guys. Always gotta shout out the G people out in the street. Ooh, it sounds pretty good too. Okay. But what you do is you step on it and you just kind of lightly tap it. Let's see if we can do it here. You accelerate, get in the higher RPMs when it sounds higher pitched. Right there, let it go. Get those pops, tap it. That's how you get the pops. You step on it, get those pops out of the way, tap it. One more time. Well, there you guys have it, guys. That's how you do the popping trick here on my G35. Definitely probably gonna be different in yours. Oh, downshift, downshift. Oh, no, brother, you guys heard those pops? That was ridiculous. Okay.
Yeah,
that shit.
Oh.
let's go.
Oh, that's perfect lighting.
Yeah, aren't you?
Oh!
Jesus H. Christ.
Here.
Don't give it to me. I don't want it. Oh, God. Make this quick, guys. Make it quick.
Oh, bro, I'm next, bro.
I don't want to do this.
Oh, shit, Mio.
Oh, my God. It's all falling off. Oh, Jesus.
Damn, all right, let me get next. Let me get next. You're leaving no hair. You're cutting his scalp. You're cutting his scalp.
Yeah, these scissors are dull, bro.
Let's go a little
Wait,
off the side. Oh, God.
Ruben, your GoPro turned off.
No, it's on. It's on.
on?
Just
Why-
touch the screen. Just
Oh,
Natasha,
Never
hold on.
mind.
Natasha, have you cut my hair yet?
ignore me, random
Kenzie,
people
you gotta get in on
that
this.
might be
I mean,
watching.
it's been 3 months since I touched
Yo,
up. All you gotta do
look
is
at
give
his
it a
hair.
little, like,
Hey,
right
bro, once you hop back on Tinder, God
Yeah,
damn.
I'll back on Tinder with my half a haircut.
You're gonna get all
Yeah,
the
you need a hat,
babes.
that's all. Just give it like a...
Girls wanna see this, be like, like, who is that man?
Oh,
There we
God.
go.
Oh, my God. This is the worst idea I think I've ever had, so congratulations, guys. This is amazing.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
How do I feel? What the fuck do you think I feel, man? I got my hair cut by like a bunch of 20-year-olds. Christ.
Oh,
God.
you got messed up.
Can I do the front?
Let's go.
Why do you want to do the front?
Yeah, because it looks weird now.
Oh, there's a bald spot.
Is there really a bald spot?
Yeah.
It was there before that, don't worry.
Oh.
God.
Wait, okay, what's the plan here? Okay. Bye, guys.
Nah,
I'll fix it.
All right, guys, we're heading out. We gotta go to the party, and we got a vroom. Gotta turn on the freaking spider lights to go. Peace out, Matt. Yeah, let me show you guys some more pops. Can you guys hear them? Oh, fuck, the police turned on his cops. It's cop light. Oh, fuck, is that us? We're gonna go straight. We're gonna go straight. Y'all saw the lights, bro. Y'all saw the lights. We can't go through the freeway. Let's see if y'all can hear the pops. Oh my god, guys, I fucking love this shit. Oh my god. And then you tap it, watch. Accelerate, let it go, hit the pops, tap, tap, accelerate, let go, tap, accelerate, tap, tap. Oh my god, unlimited pops, guys. This is the fucking hack. If y'all don't like this fucking video, ooh, hard stop, downshift. Here we go. Here we go, downshift. Oh, guys, if you guys don't give this a thumbs up, please, guys. I do this for you guys, bro. Thumbs up. I freaking love you guys. I'll catch you guys next vlog. And peace out, guys. I freaking love you guys. Peace.